Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest in 3D printing technology. Today, we're diving into the EasyThreed K9 Mini 3D printer, an easy-to-use entry-level gift perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Priced at just $77.10, the K9 Mini is an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality. It utilizes FDM technology, allowing you to print with a range of materials, including TPU and PLA filament at a diameter of 1.75 mm. One of the standout features of the K9 Mini is its user-friendly interface, making it simple for anyone to start their 3D printing journey. Its compact size makes it ideal for home use or small spaces without sacrificing printing capabilities. Whether you're creating prototypes, educational models, or personalized gifts, the EasyThreed K9 Mini offers reliable performance and versatility. Plus, its sleek black design adds a touch of style to your workspace. Stay tuned as we unbox, set up, and test the EasyThreed K9 Mini 3D printer to showcase its capabilities and help you decide if it's the right choice for your 3D printing needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 3D printing content.